Hey everyone, I'm here with a layout. I'm going to try to do this before everybody wakes up. My background is Vicky Bruton's color study called Color Wheel. And I'm sorry about my voice. It comes and goes. And then the photo mats are basil cardstock wisteria. And these pictures I took last year, meaning 2020, when our first winter in the house, our first summer in the house, I should say, and we're power washing my private patio off my master bedroom, which it needs it again. So the die cuts are Simple Story Sun-Kissed. I need to do this while the puppies, everybody's sleeping, including the puppies. I can get him to settle down more so if I open up Mateo's door, since it's his weekend with his mom, so I can open up his bedroom door and they lay in his bed. And then these foam stickers are American Crafts, no, sorry, name was right, American Crafts Be Bold stickers. Now I'm going to take the hearts and stars and I'm just going to put them in groups of threes, like you would enamel dots. And of course, some of the die cut is my title. The die cut Summer Fun, that is my title. So that is all I did. So I have pictures for you of the layout after the video, and I just want to thank you for watching, and I'll be back when I have more. Bye.